Sounds like they're trying to clean up the bus terminal tonight. Hello? Major Tom DeFrank. Time to just say no.
Fue enredándome en sus besos hasta que me volvió preso y en su juego.
Come on, John. The city's burning.
He's in love with rock and roll, whoa. He's in love with getting stoned, whoa. He's in love with Jenny Jones, whoa. He don't like his foreign job now. He's in love with rock and roll, whoa. He's in love with getting stoned, whoa. He's in love with Jenny Jones, whoa. He don't like his foreign job now. And he knows what he got to do. He knows he's gonna have fun with you. You're lucky lady. What are you doing?
I'm driving out of myself.
These brakes are shot.
Taking that into consideration.
Frank! Frank! Are you okay?
Never felt better in my life. How are you?
I'm good. Good.
66 X-ray. X-ray 66. First of all, I want you to know how sorry I am about this. I've always liked you two. A unit above none. A legend in its own lunchtime. So it hurts me deeply to do this, but I have no choice. You must go to 48th and Broadway. In front of a liquor store, you'll find a 50-year-old man, unconscious. It says here, man smells real bad. Do I have to say more?
But you've said too much already.
Mr. O!
It's early for him.
It's all right. We're not meant to do O tonight. Something's gonna happen. I can feel it!
Put me on the back of that jumper.
EMS Essential, what was that call?
EMS, a jumper, a shooting, West Side Project.
10-4, 1 minute out. Let's go. Somebody's gonna kill themselves. Let's go. I don't wanna miss it.
66 X-ray, level 1 emergency. Level 1 emergency. I need units. We got fires in the hole. 8th and Broadway. Got fire outside the Dynamite Club, 13th and 6th. Fired workers are shooting each other at the post office. Where are my units? 66 X-ray. Level 1 emergency.
I am the Japanese Sandman.
You looking like a Japanese Sandman.
He goes the ragtag ding dong, ragtag ding dong,
I'm city, they want ragtag ding dong. Ragtag ding dong. I'm city, they want ragtag ding dong. I am the Japanese Sandman from
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. I want a drink of water. I want a drink of water. Go in the kitchen, give me a drink of water.